demonstrate the bearing and distance of the ship. First, the chart that we are used is chart number 1, and we need this some equipment written on the exercises. So, let us follow the scenario description. And first, we need to plot ship number 1, 13 degrees 35 minutes north and 124 degrees 13 minutes east. And for ship number 1, we need to obtain the bearing and distance of the observed object from ship number 1. So we need to find the distance and bearing of Calapadan Bay Lighthouse and Nagumbaya Point. And next is ship number 2. Ship number 2 has 13 degrees and 25 minutes north, 124 degrees and 05 minutes east. And of course, we need to obtain the bearing and distance of the observed objects from ship number 2. And for this plot, we will find the bearing and distance of San Andres Lighthouse and Verac Point. And next is ship number 3. So ship number 3 have 13 degrees 05 degrees north and 124 degrees and 20 minutes east. And of course, we also need to obtain the bearing and distance of the observed objects from ship number 3. And for this, we will modify the bearing and distance of Ongay Point and Prieto Diaz Lighthouse. So, okay, from ship number 1, the bearing of Calapadan Bay Lighthouse is 300 degrees with the distance of 9 nautical miles. And Nagumbaya Point, I got its bearing of 257 degrees and with the distance of 10 nautical miles. So okay, so let's proceed from ship number 2, the San Andres Lighthouse. The San Andres Lighthouse has its bearing of 004 degrees and with a distance of 11 nautical miles. Second is the Verac. I got the bearing of Verac for 50 degrees and the distance of 10 nautical miles. And lastly, the ship number 3, the Ongay Point, has its bearing of 311 degrees and a distance of 9 nautical miles. And for the Prieto Diaz Lighthouse, its bearing is 252 degrees and with a distance of 9 nautical miles. So for this activity, we will learn more on how to plot bearing and distance, how to get a bearing and distance. So okay, that's it. Hope you'll learn.